Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Aroma of Zanzibar vlog. I am so happy that I'm able to do this. I'm able to keep my word. That's very important. Today I accomplished a lot. I have packed, I've emptied all these cabinets. They're all empty. Everything is in the box. The boxes are sealed. Can you see that already? This is incomplete, so all the way. Yeah, and I've just got my table here. How do I put it? Here this way. I've got few things to be packed, and my microwave. I'll be doing all that, I think, Thursday, or maybe tomorrow. Probably I'll finish everything. I've got my brushes here. They're still drying, all washed in hot water and vinegar. I can't live without these brushes for my chocolate. And these are washed and dried. We don't want to take any dusty things there because it can get really, really dusty here. So every now and then I have to check on these because we do keep food stuff here, so it has to stay clean. And the only thing I have to do tomorrow, I'm gonna start working on getting the stuff out of the freezer. It's basically chocolate, so I've got my boxes ready there, chocolates and my sauces and what else, fillings. Those things are perishable, so I'm gonna take them home. So I've also got my boxes packed here, with all the things that I will need at home. While we are doing the decor for the shop, I will be home preparing new items, the new line. I'm excited. I'm gonna do a lot of photography. So other than that, I'm really thankful and grateful to Allah for getting me to where I am, giving me the ability, giving me the good health. That's the most important part. If I don't have a good health, I cannot run around like a crazy woman here, which I do very often. And yes, that's it. And inshallah, tomorrow I'm planning to go to the new venue, so I will take you guys with me. There's nothing, it's just an empty place. But maybe I can share with you step by step how we go about it into decorating. I'm basically gonna do the same colors because those are the colors that I like. Those are the earth tones that present or represent the spices. And the orange is gonna be similar but much deeper, because that's what I wanted in the beginning. I wanted it more deeper, like a brick color kind of. Initially I wanted saffron orange, but they didn't have, so the next shade that I really wanted was really, really like brick orange. So this time I'm going to make sure that I get the things that I want to do, that I want them in my shop. Okay. Anyway, so I will talk to you tomorrow, and I'm going to compile this and then put it all at as one video. I'm going to try not to make it too long. All right, take care. Yes, so good morning. Assalamu alaikum. It's an exciting day. It's going to be a busy day. So it's about 8 in the morning and I'm going to get the foreman to pick him up so he can go get the truck and the packing people. So basically, my neighbor, we're just going to pack the big stuff and load them. Yep. Okay. Yep. So that's about it. And I finished everything that I was supposed to do, I guess. It's sunny and I need to focus on the road, so I will be in touch with you guys again cops catching me. I don't know, is this allowed? I'm not sure. But, yep. Speed bump. Okay, so... Alhamdulillah, it's been a long, not very long day actually. I think we took about 3-4 hours to finish packing. So it's empty, as you can see. Let me hold this way. I've just got my dustbins. Just take these and put them in the car. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, the only thing is left is this one and the signboard outside, which I need the somebody special to do that work. So probably tomorrow we will do that job. So now my next place I will be seeing you is in my new shop, inshallah. And yeah, that's about it for today. And take care and see you again.